English Armenian shopping phrase. How much does cost?
Ինչ արժե?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we unlock the shopping superpower. How to ask, how much does cost in Armenian. Your wallet will thank you. Your goal today. You'll master one core question, plus vital shopping words for smart deals. English. How much does cost? Armenian.
Ինչ արժե?
Variant you'll also hear.
Գինը որքան է?
What is the price? Pronounce it. Say it with me, slowly, clearly, confidently. Chunk 1.
Ինչ
Chunk 2.
արժե?
Add the dots. Full line.
Ինչ արժե?
Now with a smile, your voice matters in markets. One more time.
Ինչ արժե?
At the market. Picture yourself in Yerevan's vernissage, time to shop like a pro. You, hi.
Խնդրում եմ, սա ինչ արժե?
Seller, it's 5,000 AMD. You, and the price tag?
Գինը որքան է?
Seller, the
Գին
is fixed. You, a bit.
թանկ
Expensive, any.
զեղչ
Discount. Seller, for you, small discount. Now it's 4,500 AMD. You, nice, that's more.
էժան
Cheap, cheaper. You, or simply ask.
սա քանի է?
How much is this? Word boost. Money talk. Learn these quick helpers to sound smart and save dram.
Գին
Equals price. Example, the
գին
is fair.
թանկ
Equals expensive. Example, that rug is.
թանկ է էժան
Equals cheap. Example, this magnet is.
էժան է զեղչ
Equals discount. Ask.
զեղչ ունեք? կտրոն
Equals receipt. Ask.
կտրոն խնդրում եմ ընդհանուր գումար
Equals total amount. Ask.
ընդհանուր գումարը ինչքան է?
Culture tip. Vernissage vibes. Be polite, smile, and start with the question. Bargaining often follows. At Yerevan's vernissage, you'll often begin with.
Ինչ արժե?
Then kindly ask about a.
Զեղչ
Don't forget your.
կտրոն
And to check the.
ընդհանուր գումար
Before you pay. Your future self and your wallet will hug you. Quick drills. Echo me and own the phrase. Short, punchy, fun. You.
Ինչ արժե այս բաժակը?
How much does this cup cost? You.
Գինը որքան է այս շարֆը?
What is the price of this scarf? You.
Զեղչ ունեք?
Do you have a discount? You.
կտրոն խնդրում եմ
Receipt, please. You.
ընդհանուր գումարը ինչքան է?
What is the total amount? Quiz time. You've got this. Answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask about the price of an item in Armenian? A.
Ինչ արժե?
Q2. Which one means, what is the price? A.
Գինը որքան է?
Riddle. I'm the question that opens every wallet. I point to a thing and ask its value. What am I? A.
Ինչ արժե?
Funny moment. Let's keep it light. Smiles help language stick. Your wallet whispers, before you open me, ask.
Ինչ արժե?
Then a tiny cash register goes, cha-ching. Challenge mode. Ready for the real world? Try this today. In a store, point to any item and say,
Խնդրում եմ, սա ինչ արժե?
if it feels.
Թանկ,
Ask.
զեղչ ունեք?
Before you leave, ask for the,
Կտրոն,
and confirm the.
ընդհանուր գումար.
Wrap up. Nice work, your shopping Armenian just leveled up. Today you learned, how much does cost equals
Ինչ արժե?
plus
Գին, թանկ, էժան, զեղչ, կտրոն, ընդհանուր գումար.
and.
Գինը որքան է?
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons from Synapse Lingo.